Welcome to our quick guide on choosing the perfect C-channel size for your tabletop. When selecting a C-channel, keep these key measurements in mind. The depth should be no more than 1/4 of your tabletop's thickness. For instance, a 2-inch thick tabletop needs a C-channel no deeper than 1/2 inch. Next, consider the width. Ideally, the C-channel should be about 3/4 of your table's width. For a 40-inch wide table, choose a C-channel around 30 inches. This ensures stability and prevents warping, providing strong support for your table. Follow these tips for a beautiful and durable table. Happy crafting! For more tips, visit our website. Thanks for watching.